What's up, guys, and welcome back to Bolt Action Ballistics. It's a beautiful day today. It is snowing and it doesn't stop. We've had some crazy weather the last few days. It went from crazy high winds to rain, and temperatures all of a sudden dropped, and now we got all this snow. It doesn't seem to stop snowing, so I guess I'm going to try to do a video. Let's have some fun in the snow. As you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but we have some snow castles, I guess, lined up, 10 of them. And we're going to do a little bullet test in the snow and see what happens. About a year ago, I did a video. I did several short videos, and one of them was a 308, a bonded 150 grain bullet, and I think we got roughly right around 48 inches of penetration in the snow that I had, and with really nice expansion. So today we are out here again with the 308. We're going to be using a 150 grain full metal jacket, and we have a match target bullet and a copper bullet, which is a T-Rex Maker bullet. We're going to try those 3 rounds out today in a snow test, see what kind of penetration we get, and see what kind of expansion we get. So here we go. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the ammo we're going to be using. This is a 168 grain full metal jacket, 168 grain match target load, and we have a 168 grain. This is the T-Rex Maker bullet, all copper, expanding bullet. Let's see what these rounds do. Okay, let's take a closer look here at our snow, what we're going to be shooting here. These blocks are just more than 12 inches thick. And let's see, just some lightly packed snow, just hard enough to keep its shape. We're going to see what those bullets do, how much penetration we get on that full metal jacket, and what kind of expansion we can get off those other 2 rounds. Okay, so first up is the 168 grain full metal jacket. We got 10 of these blocks lined up in front of me here. They are right at, I think, 13 inches wide. And if I remember last year, we had a problem with bullet either wanting to go one way or the other, up or down or sideways. I think I got the gun lined up to where we can get a dead center hit. We don't want that to happen, especially with the full metal jacket. I'm not sure what's going to happen, how many it's going to go through. But I think at some point in time, the bullet's going to start tumbling and slow the bullet down. Let's see what happens. Here goes. Okay, so we got a good hit on our first one. Went through the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. Right there on our ninth. And I don't see it coming out the back, so I think we got it in the ninth one. Let's see if we can find it. Here on our ninth one, yep, right here it is. I found it. Perfect shape. Get all the snow off of it. Right there it is. So if these are roughly 13 inches wide, and we got in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About what? Halfway into the ninth one, and 13 inches wide. You do the math. That's how much penetration we got off this full metal jacket. 168 grain. Right here it is. It's awesome. Okay, so the 168 grain match target bullet's up next. I think I'm just going to aim a little bit to the left of our first shot, and let's see what happens. Okay, so our match target bullet zipped off to the side and weren't able to find it, so let's go ahead with the second shot. I repaired my snow castles. We're going to go for a dead center shot. Let's see what happens. Our match bullet went through 1, 2, 3, and here in the fourth one, this is all I could find of it. And it was literally right on the front side of the fourth one. So it didn't really make it that far. I'm sure there's more pieces in there somewhere, but I could have a hard time finding them. So that's some pretty crazy stuff. So about three and a half snow castles for our match target bullet. Okay, so our last shot here is that 168 grain T-Rex Maker bullet. I pushed some of those out of the way. We've got two fresh ones here, so let's make that last shot here. Okay, so unfortunately we didn't get a good hit on this one, or either our bullet really did some serious curving, but we got a decent hit on our first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and here on our fifth one the bullet started cutting off the top. Sixth one, and missed our seventh one, and you can see there all the snow splatter, the bullet hitting there somewhere, and I can absolutely not find it. So I guess that's just how it goes sometimes. I knew those bullets curved in the snow from a year ago. I did some videos, but that's some crazy stuff. Unfortunately, we can't find a round. Well guys, that's all I have for today's video. That Full Metal Jacket definitely made it the furthest. That's some crazy results. And that match target load made it into the fourth one at 13, 14 inches wide each. Some crazy results. I am very disappointed we did not find that T-Rex Maker bullet. I would have shot again, but I don't currently have any loaded, ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to stop with this. We'll be back out again, hopefully making more videos soon. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.